Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Starz on weekly constituents. Then here you click on apps, double taps app settings. In this page you search about Starz on and you click. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.